What's up guys, JTech here. This will be a quick video on the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, what it is and how to install it. Let's begin. So what is the Crypto.com DeFi wallet? Well, like MetaMask, it is a software cryptocurrency wallet. MetaMask and Crypto.com's DeFi wallet are both non-custodial wallets. As always, your keys, your crypto. So then why is there the Crypto.com app and the Crypto.com DeFi app? The huge difference is that Crypto.com is a custodial wallet and Crypto.com DeFi app is a non-custodial wallet. On Crypto.com's DeFi wallet frequently asked questions page, they actually lay out the exact difference between the two platforms. Crypto.com DeFi is also a browser extension and is also a mobile app. All right, now that we know what Crypto.com is, let's install it. For this tutorial, I will be installing the Crypto.com DeFi wallet on my iPhone on iOS. So let's swap over to my phone. So I've swapped over to my iPhone here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our App Store here. And then we're going to go to search. We're going to search for Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Right there. We'll go ahead and hit get. And then whatever way you want to confirm, depending on what iPhone you're on. Okay. I'm gonna let this download. Then let's go ahead and open the app. Once open, we're gonna hit the blue button that says create a new wallet. And then we'll do this checkbox here. Hit continue. Now this is where we'll put in a 6-digit passcode. I'll try something easy, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't like that, so we'll have to make it a little more complex. Okay, now we're in. It's going to ask us if we want to use Face ID. Up to you if you want to hit don't allow or okay. Okay, so now we're in. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the blue button continue. And then we're going to hit get started. There's one last thing we should probably do, and that's to get our recovery phrase. So we'll go on the top left here where it says wallet 1. We'll click on that, and then we'll hit recovery phrase. Then we're going to do by writing down. It's going to have us use our Face ID here. And then what we want to do is we want to confirm all 3 check boxes here. We will do that by tapping these 3 check marks, making them green. Then we'll hit reveal my recovery phrase. This is the important part here. We want to make sure we save this somewhere safe. Write it down. And then on the next step here, after we hit continue, we'll go ahead and input the phrase again. That way we can confirm our phrase. I'm going to quickly type these in here, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, there we go. Success. So now we have our new Crypto.com DeFi wallet all signed in, and we have our backup phrase. We are all good to go. Hopefully this tutorial was fast and easy to understand. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. I plan on making future content for Crypto.com's main city. Don't forget to like, dislike, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.